Hey, do you have a minute?
Yeah, what's up?
We have a new associate starting next week. I'm hoping that you can go ahead and train her.
Yeah, of course, I'm willing to help. How do I invoice for that?
There's no additional compensation for training. I thought that was clear.
Well, I assume I'm still going to be expected to meet my own goals as well as training her, so it's going to be additional work for me. So I am highly expecting to get compensated for the training, especially because the training is about a month and a half.
I was kind of hoping you would do this as a favor.
Okay, all right. Hold on. Let me get this out of my first. There you go.
What is this? What's this?
It's my light and my water bill. I figured as a favor you could take care of them for me since you want me to do this as a favor.
There's no need to be sarcastic.
I'm not being sarcastic. My life doesn't run on favors. My life runs on income. So I'm happy to help with training if you're going to compensate me. Otherwise, you can find someone else.